soft case tool container. It is made of robust material which protects the carried tools from damage and moisture. It comes with a white padded shoulder strap which can be detached or adjusted. The tool container has a double flop system. Inside the tool container, there is a small quiver with a shoulder strap and a hook and loop path. Inside, it is divided into 3 size adjustable compartments. The quiver can be also secured on one of the sides. A short carrying handle can replace the shoulder strap if needed.